guys, Bella here. Let me tell you how to pre-order the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus right here in Nigeria. If you haven't seen my first impressions video, click on the link down in the description box. Now, if you're conflicted on which of the devices to buy, there are quite a few differences. On the Galaxy Note 10, it is a 6.3-inch dynamic AMOLED display and also an 8GB and 256GB of ROM device. Its battery capacity is 3,500 mAh, while on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, there is a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen and 12GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM, expandable up to 1TB, and the battery is 4,300 mAh. Now, beyond the spec differences, there is a difference in the recommended retail price of the devices in Nigeria. The Note 10 comes at 330,500 Naira, while the Note 10 Plus comes at 384,000 Naira only. To pre-order, get on www.samsung.com and click on the pre-order link, which will take you to a list of accredited dealers around the country where you can order your device from. Also note that when you pre-order between now and the 6th of September, you stand a chance to get a free pair of Galaxy Buds, which are worth 45,000 Naira, and you also stand a chance of getting a free screen repair discount that is worth 70,000 Naira, and that is valid until the end of the year 2019. That's all I have time for. Do get pre-ordering right away. I'm Bella and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.